Hi guys, in this video today, I'm going to show you how to create a group on WhatsApp. It is very simple to do, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is to open up WhatsApp and then open up all your chats. As you can see, I don't have many right now, but in order to make a group, you can simply click on New Group in the top right corner above all the chats, or you can click on a person, click on their name at the very top of the page. You then want to scroll down. You should then see an option to create a group with this certain person. So I'll go ahead and click this real fast. And then as you can see, I can then add all these different people by clicking the circle icon on the right side of everybody's name. Once I've added everybody that I want to add, I can go ahead and click on next. From here, I can then go ahead and name the certain group, and I can also add a photo of what I want the chat to look like. You can then also add disappearing messages. So what this says is that it gives you different options, 24 hours, 7 days, 90 days, or you can keep it off. But after, say, 24 hours, if you choose this option, the messages will then disappear out of the group chat and nobody will be able to see them. You can go ahead and keep this off. You want to keep all the messages within the group chat, but that is what it is. But once you've done all this, go ahead and click on Create in the top right corner, and you then have created a WhatsApp group. So I hope this video does help. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and I cannot do it without your help. If you have any video ideas, please make sure to leave it in the comments. But thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.